Hello kaibigan, ayan. So welcome back to my channel. Welcome back kaibigan, ayan. So in this videos, I will teach you on how to cash loan on our Billease application. So if you don't know how to cash loan or cash in on our Billease applications, this is a full video. So dito, so in my case, I will choose GCash or Maya. So whatever I choose, so you can watch my tutorial para malaman mo kung paano talaga gawin or mag-cash loan kang Billease. So this is it kaibigan. So hindi ko na papatagalin and I will teach you on how to do that. So ito na.
Buksan mo ang iyong GCash account. I-click mo lang ang Pay Bills dito. Click Loans. Search for Billease. Click Billease. Open your Billease app and check how much you need to pay. Go back to GCash and type the loan amount here. Please remember that a service charge of 15 pesos will be deducted from your GCash balance. Go back to Billease app and click here to copy your loan ID number. Enter the loan ID number that we copied from the Billease app. Type your name here. Type your phone number here. Type your email here so that you can receive the receipt of your payment later.
So by the way kaibigan, advertise muna. So if you don't know how to create an Billease account or how to activate Billease account, so I have a video dyan in the pinned comment section below, or you can choose or you can find out into my random playlist in my playlist section. So okay. So kung hindi mo po alam ko, meron pa akong mga video dyan sa baba. So tingnan mo lang po doon. Yan, so continue muna tayo, kaibigan.
Click this box to use G-Insure to protect your payment. This is the posting period for Billease, which says the next business day. There is an additional charge to use G-Insure. If this is okay with you, click the next button. Click Yes, Get Bill Protect. On this page, you can double check the details you have entered. Make sure all the information here is correct. Click the Confirm button. GCash will now send your payment to Billease and you will also get a receipt. And that's how you pay Billease loans using GCash.
So this is the end of our video, kaibigan. So if you like this video and I was help you, kaibigan, I don't forget to share and like this video, kaibigan, para malaman din po ng ating mga kaibigan out there kung paano mag cash loan sa ating Billease application. So thank you sa panood, kaibigan, and see you soon to my next video, and God bless.